A climate change research hub near Fort Simpson, burned down by wildfire last fall, is getting new life. As the CBC's Leanie Lambring tells us, efforts to restore the Scotty Creek Research Station are well on their way.
There's heavy lifting going on at Scotty Creek, chopping down burned trees, bringing new equipment in on a specialized tracked vehicle, hauling garbage out. But the work really got started last year, right after the forest fire.
We did a whole bunch of initial site cleanups November of last year, right around first snowfall, where we had a guardian, some of the laborers go out there and just do some cleanup, make sure, like sifting through the ashes, make sure we're getting the metal cleaned up and what have you, piling all the garbage.
The late season wildfire almost completely destroyed Scotty Creek. It happened just a few months after Tleligwe First Nation got the keys to the research station. 5 structures were burned to the ground, research equipment was damaged, lab space, sleeping accommodations, and solar arrays all scorched.
Already we knew off the bat, like after the fire, like there wasn't going to be any ability for researchers to get out to the field this season. For the 2023 season, because just for safety of the researchers and for quality of life.
LKFN is trying to restore the main camp as soon as possible, but it might take longer for all the research equipment to be replaced.
They're leaving it up to the universities and research centers to replace the research infrastructure on the land surrounding the station. So I'm really pushing things along, trying to push things along here. You can only go so fast with an institution.
Kazon says LKFN won't be letting researchers go to Scotty Creek until next year, but with big construction plans expected in May and June, Kazon hopes the station will be open again in August. Leanie Lambring, CBC News, Yellowknife.